I'm Dr. Rachna Balakrishna, final year postgraduate student in the Department of Dermatology, Venereology and Leprosy in Rajarajeswari Medical College and Hospital. When I chose dermatology, I wanted a specialty that blends medicine, art and science, where we not only treat the disease but help the patient rediscover comfort in their own skin. And here at Rajarajeswari, I found exactly that balance. Dermatology is often described as a window to internal medicine. The skin reflects not only what's on the outside but also what lies within. Our department is a vibrant, comprehensive center for excellence dedicated to the study, diagnosis and artistry of skin health. It integrates the science of clinical dermatology, the precision of procedural practices and the innovation of aesthetic care, creating a truly holistic approach to skin, hair and nail disorders. We combine clinical expertise with empathy, ensuring that every patient receives evidence-based, individualized treatment. On any given day, our OPD sees a wide range of cases from autoimmune and pigmentary skin disorders to infection, sexually transmitted disease, leprosy, alongside with aesthetic and cosmetological procedures such as chemical peel, PRP, laser treatment and vitiligo surgeries. We at Rajarajeswari Hospital provide the best skin care treatment at affordable prices, making quality skin care accessible to all. Our inpatient ward manages complex, chronic, dermatological and surgical conditions with meticulous attention. Our faculties are the pillars of our department. They are highly knowledgeable, approachable and deeply invested in the academic and professional development of every student. They are not just our teachers but our mentors, motivators and constant source of encouragement, guiding us with patience and passion. They ensure that we don't just learn from books but from every patient, every scar and every smile. The infrastructure at RRMCH is truly exceptional with spacious OPDs, well-equipped procedural rooms, histopath lab and a supportive nursing and technical staff who make learning easy and enjoyable. We receive hands-on experience under expert supervision, not just in basic dermatological procedure but also in advanced aesthetic techniques like Botox, fillers, laser resurfacing and microneedling with radiofrequency. These skills prepare us to confidently step into the evolving world of modern dermatology. As a part of our pro bono initiatives, our department regularly organizes CME programs, awareness drives and community health camps, extending knowledge and service beyond the hospital wall. The Department of Dermatology stands as a center of academic excellence and clinical innovation guided by compassion and integrity. At Rajarajeswari Hospital, we take pride in fostering an environment that inspires learning, discovery and professional growth, a place where passion for dermatology transforms into a lifelong pursuit of healing and service. Thank you.